Hello, what's up everyone? This is Rahibali from DIY Tech, and today I'll be showing you Chrome Dinosaur Game Hacks version 2. First, we are going to show you how you can start the game without disconnecting your internet. So first, you'll need to right click on your browser and go to inspect. After that, go to network tab and click on this drop list and select offline. After doing that, just reload the page, and here you will see that it's saying that there is no internet connection and you can play the game. So after starting your game, you can go to here console tab and type the following command. And set arcade mode. By doing this, you will see that the game size will be increased to the size of your browser. So just hit enter, and as you can see that now it's on full screen. You can try again, just reload and type the same command, but type this after starting your game, not before the game. So now it's on the big screen, as you can see. And second hack, which I have already showed you in my previous video, but this time I will show you that you can also store your highest score. So for this you will need to type this command, just follow the steps that I am doing. Okay, so let me just tell you. First you need to write this command. After that you can write this command, okay, and then you can play the game and it's never gonna die. As you can see, you don't need to jump. And the second thing is that when you, now let's say you have made your highest score and now you want it to be stored in your browser. So what you're gonna need to do is type the following command again, but this time like this, okay, hit enter, and now play the game. As you can see, now it's game over and your highest score will be stored here if you break the highest score. Let's say, for example, let me just show you again. First you're gonna need to type this command, and second you're gonna type this command and play the game, break the highest score. Let's say you have done that, and now type this command. Now it's game over, and as you can see the highest score is right here. So this was the second hack about this game. Let me just show you another hack. Let's start again. So the command to increase the size is set arcade mode, hit enter. Now it's bigger. To and to increase the speed of this or to decrease the speed of this dino is set speed to, let's say, 20, and you can ignore the beginning part of command. As you can see, now it's on speed 20. Let me just make it so it never ends. Now it's never gonna die again. Now let's say I want to increase the speed. For that I will type runner.instance.set speed, and here I will mention, let's say, 50, and let's see how it goes. As you can see, it's very fast and my score is increasing very fast, as you can see. And then here, let's say if you want to play in reverse, let's say set the speed to -1 and see the magic. As you can see, it's going backward. Type again and set it to, let's say, 100. And with this trick you can make the highest score possible. After that, let's just type the command to store the score with the highest one. Let's say game over equals X, and then as you can see, game over, and my highest score is this one. Okay guys, hope you like this video. Hit thumbs up and share my video with others. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for watching more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.